maybe could be. Is when they were off, that could be a loose.
Will,
Yeah, I'm going to go
get
back.
the ball.
There is a possibility. It's a global problem.
Will, there's a frog. Look, right there, frog. Look.
And that problem will be out in the mud.
You see the frog?
Where we met?
He just swam right past you.
No.
But
I tried to tell you to look. He's right over there.
here's why I
Go
don't
get him.
think that's right, because
Go over there.
this light,
No.
That's where he went.
You take the football.
that light,
Yeah.
the power to it, the power to the inside of the thing is linked. I still think that we got to fix that switch. And if there's still a problem, then we got to back up one and
Okay.
try to look for a global power
Bye-bye.
light.
Bye-bye.
Go over to the left and you'll see the frog.
Really.
He's a small
The
frog.
fact that switch to the right of it, doesn't it come from that switch? to this
Yeah,
switch?
go check him out.
So that also says
Go.
it's not a global problem
Right.
because we got power to one.